Hey guys, my name is William Jones. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to build content silos and get paid for doing what you love, i.e. building content silos. $297 a day. People will actually pay you to build content silos. We're going to discuss what a content silo is, why they're important, how to reverse engineer your content silos from your competition, etc. My name is William Jones. For those of you first tuning in, I have 20 years of SEO experience. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Turn on the bell notification. That way you don't miss any of the golden nuggets we like to drop on Google My Business SEO and local SEO and help you get the results you need and deserve. Okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right. So I'm going to show you something real quick. This is pretty much, let's say, this is my website. All right, there's a tool in the description below. It's called Zazio. Best tool I know, one of the ones we use all the time. Well, let's say, for example, you wanted to reverse engineer someone's site, whatever industry you're in. I'm just going to take, a niche that I know. Let's say white label SEO services. Not picking on anybody, just grabbing whoever pops up, right? So let's grab white label SEO, right? White label SEO. We're going to grab them, right? Come over here, we copy this. This is so simple. You're going to be like, what the hell? So easiest way, you find who's ranking, you reverse engineer what they're doing. Reverse engineer does not mean copy, doesn't mean plagiarize. It means to go, what are they doing to get there? So I want to go, okay, these people are number one. How many pages do they got? What's their page structure look like? What's their internal linking look like? How many posts they have? All that information, right? Easiest way to do it. Get a Zazio, right? I go into my website. I've already installed a Zazio. I'm going to show you how to do this and set up a project manager, right? Go over here to the Zazio. We're going to go to project planner or silo builder in this case, right? And I'll show you how to use the content planner and everything else. And it's, this is the silo builder. Project planner is what we're going to start with, okay? Because we're going to build out a project. Build out the project. The content silo pretty much is a visual, GUI, or what you see is what you get type of platform. So I can move things around and interlink them and associate them the way I want. It's amazing. You go create my first project. Let's go white label SEO. So, right, I'm going to create white label SEO. And so I create the project. I'm going to hit load. Right? You ain't got nothing in here. So we're going to hit audit website. So we're going to hit audit website. What it's going to do, right? You can use Yoast or any of this other stuff. Hit continue. Right? If you wanted to migrate and pull in stuff, but we're going to use this to reverse engineer our competition. Go in here and type in the domain name, right? Domain name is whitelabelseo.com. We're going to our local pages, override existing groups. Leave all this blank, leave all this blank. You can track keywords if you want as well inside of Zazio, which is why it's amazing, and hit start operation. What it's now going to do is it's going to go in there and pull every post, every page, everything. And what Zazio basically tells me, so for example, in this case, you're sitting here looking at this and you're like, wow, okay, they're ranking for this keyword, social media reseller, social media panel, social media panels, social media panel, social media, SMM resellers. This is the page, okay? The page is this specific page, this specific, if you will, meta description. And if I wanted to, what I could then do as well is I can select, if you will, the ones that are, if you will, this is a really good CPC or cost per click. What is the volumes? I can do a bunch of stuff. I can choose whatever, if you will, keywords I want to track in here, what pages I want to take. So I can open up notes and create notes in this if I wanted to, right? I can create a open word cloud in which I say, okay, on this page, these are the keywords that are important, okay? I can do all of that, which is amazing. I can hide the keywords. I love that. But right from here, I can literally, if you will, click on the little icon, the gear icon, right? And I can create a new page from this group. So right from here, let's say, for example, I wanted to go down here and I wanted to target white label social media management. And I wanted to create a page for that and a cloud of keywords based off of this group. I can click actions, create new page from group or a post from the group. Okay. If I go create a new page from the group, it's going to go in here. It's going to create a new page and it's going to create it based off of the meta tag, meta description, who you want the parent to be. You can select a parent, whatever, right? And it's done, created the page, right? And let's open that and it's going to show it to us. But essentially what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to reverse engineer what the competition is doing. So creates the page, we can come in here and now start creating the content. You know, we can create the content for that page. We can copy, if you will, their internal linking. I can look at, okay, what's their internal linking look like? Like if I click on this right here and I wanted to see, okay, what is this person's internal linking? I can go look at it and I can create it. Be like, okay, their inner linking is this, you know, I can, what type of images are they using? How much text are they using? I can do all that. What this tool helps me to do is pretty much avoid having to do all the heavy lifting. I can figure out what type of clouds they got. What are the main keywords that are really important on this page? You know, I can do this with any one of these. And this enables me to know, okay, these are the keywords that I need to make very important when I'm recreating these pages, okay? Now, once I'm done with that, to build out the silo, I come into the silo builder. And then the silo builder is going to list out the pages. It's going to list out the parent pages. And with this beautiful little tool here, you're going to be able to move things around. And it's in a, if you will, what you see is what you get type of a platform. Okay, because I can literally move these around, connect them, you know, from arrow to arrow, if you will, like so. And now they are connected. Okay. I can do all that and create, if you will, a siloed structure. A silo essentially is, if you look on any website, let's just say, take for example, Orlando Roofer. And when you're building out silos, what you always want to do is look at, okay, well, look at the top people that are ranking. Duplicate what they're doing because they're winning for a reason, okay? SEO is finding what's working, duplicate it, add it into your stuff, add it into your SOPs, your systems, what you're doing, and outrank them. We go, okay, a silo, for example. In this one, we can see their silo is the homepage, the services, they have videos, financing, etc. Generally speaking, when we're building out a silo, to give you an example, we're going to go, for example, we'll have the homepage, and then we'll have the services plus city, right? So the structure should be the services, if you will. Let's say emergency roof repair Orlando, right? Then the next one would be new roof Orlando. You know, new roof installation Orlando, etc. Then you have your location pages. You could do it by county, city, etc. Right? And so you want to set up those silos so it's reflective of your keyword in your city. Keyword city. Okay. Exagio helps you basically reverse engineer your competition and go, what are they doing that I need to do? And it makes it 1,000 times easier, especially seeing all of the content, right? Seeing the cloud, everything. So you can go, okay, what are they doing that I'm not doing? Everything. So go get Exagio, see in the link below, check it out, get the trial, check it out, and you can reverse engineer your competition and build out silos and get paid $297 a day. It's simple to do. One last hack on building out silos, besides doing it that way, everyone has what we call a sitemap, and I'll give you an example. let's go to, let's say, Roofer Orlando. Another way in which we can do it as well, if you're not using a Zagio, is just say, for example, you go to this roofer here. Everybody usually has what we call an XML page. XML page basically says it's a sitemap. This is the way the sitemap is set up. These are the pages, these are the blog posts, etc. So we go sitemap.xml. If they're using Yoast, it's even better sometimes because it'll literally say page sitemap, etc. Like this, page sitemap. I click on that and it tells me every single page they have. So they have 35 pages, right? Which tells you about how much content you're going to need to create, even if you wanted to be them. Post XML sitemap. They got 98 posts. So 98 posts in regards to roofing. So you already know right off the bat, what categories they have even. Is it just, projects, locations, roofing process, roofing tips, services, all that stuff. So right off the bat, let's say, for example, if they got 150 pages and each one are about 800 words per page, it's going to take about 120,000 words of content to beat them. Okay. So that's why I want to look at that information as well. I hope you enjoyed that hack. And if you would like my SOP on how to reverse engineer your competition's content silo, how to reverse engineer, if you will, their whole content strategy, and what we discussed in this video, please make sure to comment below and I will send that right over to you. I hope you enjoyed the show and appreciate you guys. Remember, if you are not subscribed, make sure to hit subscribe and touch the bell icon. That way you'll get notified anytime we go live. Again, my name is William. Have a great day. Be blessed. If there's anything else you would like for me to do a video on, just tell me and I'll do it. I'm here for you guys. You have a great day and be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm still in their methods. They bitch and they cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most.